All right, let's talk about this idea of legislative oversight. We went over this a little bit in Unit 11. We talked about the bureaucracy, but obviously this is a huge power that Congress has. Ironically enough, they don't use it very often just because of time constraints. Like we mentioned, sometimes they get pretty friendly with the bureaucracy. I feel like they need those members of the bureaucracy to get done the things they want to get done. So they don't always use this idea of legislative oversight. Um, Legislative oversight, just very, very easy to define, is once a law is passed, remember we said the bureaucracy is going to implement it. And that might mean making some decisions on how to interpret the wording of the law or how to apply the law. Legislative oversight is when Congress comes through and will tell the bureaucracy, like, you are not doing it right. You've kind of screwed this up. We'd like you to make some changes. So legislative oversight is pretty powerful in that they can kind of control the bureaucracy and how they're applying the law and make sure that it's successful and the intent of the law is being followed. So if you have any questions on this one, please let me know. Otherwise, I will see you soon.